It's 8:46. I supposed to. Well, I wanted to take the 7:02 bus, but these people been running me around where I can't even know where the bus at. So about 7:17, I've been standing at this bus stop here, and the people. I called the front desk. I asked to speak to security, and they don't know where I'm supposed to be at. They say that I'm supposed to be at somewhere else.
What are you looking for?
Huh?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking to catch the 108, and the front desk don't even know where I'm supposed to be at. They told me to sit here. I've been sitting here for 2 hours. I gotta catch my train down in New London, and nobody knows that works here where I'm supposed to be. I've been running like a chicken with my head cut off, and my train leaves at 11 o'clock. I have to get to New London, and no, I don't understand why nobody in Foxwoods know where the 108 supposed to pick me up at.
What's a 108?
The 108 is a bus. It goes to New London.
Yeah.
And nobody, at first the lady told me to stand over there with the fountains. Then the front desk lady told me, and I got it on recording, she said, no, it doesn't pick you up there. You have to go by the employee's garage. Now when I called the lady, she said I gotta be somewhere else. And I've been sitting here since 7:17, and now it's 8:49, and the bus supposed to be coming at 9:05. How could nobody don't know where I'm supposed to catch the bus at?
Because I know normally they don't have buses run down this way.
Well, they told me to sit here. I've been sitting here for 2 hours.
All the buses.
I asked the front desk to get me the security so they could direct me where to go. I got like 5 minutes to get to wherever this 105, 108 is supposed to pick me up at.
All the buses come in on the Rainmaker and the Rainmaker side.
And no bus here?
No.
So where's the Rainmaker?
Rainmaker is, well, for easier for you, unfortunately. If you just walk up, I mean, you would have to, what's the easiest way?
See, she just hung up on me. I don't understand this.
I would get in the elevator, go back up to the casino. Rainmaker side, I mean, you're just kind of like going, walking up the hill, but walking back.
Walking up
But,
the hill?
Yeah. 'Cause
I'm
that's
gonna
where
walk up the hill
buses
because
go.
the bus is coming.
There's, you know where bingo is in the casino?
Yeah, they said high stake bingo. I think I saw
Yes.
it, but I don't know how to get back to
Okay.
it.
I'll point you in the right direction. We're gonna go back up in the elevator.
Okay, appreciate
Okay,
that.
no problem. That's where all the buses pick up and drop off.
So it's not here.
No, it's not here. The bus that comes here is the employee bus that takes us from Fox Towers to here.
I got it.
So that's
That's
why-
what the lady told me about the employees' garage.
Yeah,
And I have like 5 minutes to get to wherever I gotta go.
yeah, so they should have told you Rainmaker, but all the buses come on the Rainmaker side.
I appreciate
Everything that I'm
this.
aware of, by high stakes bingo. And then you go downstairs, and then there's all the buses.
Okay.
Whoops, oh, we gotta stay in.
Oh, this is
Sorry.
it?
No, we gotta stay in.
Oh.
I didn't look at the number.
Me neither.
It just opened it, we were supposed to get out. Whoops. Just took that off.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
that's great.
Wonder Woman.
This is our floor.
Okay. Oh, goodness. Please forgive me because I'm rushing. Yeah.
Wanna put it on top?
Yeah. Trying to rush.
Gary, it should have got a lot more than solo company. It showed, though.
Well, let's try this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I thought it was like that.
You got it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Unfortunately, I can't follow you all the way there.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. We gotta go to work.
Yeah, I gotta go back up to my table.
Oh, your table. That's right. You got on the shirt. I can carry it like this.
Oh, it keeps sliding off.
Yeah. don't think I got time.
Take you into where I am myself.
Huh?
You're gonna go a little further than where I do. You know, I'm gonna go a little bit.
Yeah, but it's gonna be at 9:05.
Yeah. No, you're gonna make it by that.
You think so?
But you gotta put it on. I don't know the time.
Huh?
I don't know the time. So you want to go upstairs?
Oh, go that way?
Follow me.
Oh.
How far are you gonna go? Maybe go over here.
Huh?
No.
Shall I ask Rocco?
Left, go right. Right in the ice cream window. Elevator there, take it down to the left hand. I'm hoping that there's a security guard there to help.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
On this side, or that side.
Okay. So this is where the elevator is? Okay.
I'm just looking to see if there's buses. There's some line up.
Okay. I didn't even get to this side.
You did?
No. Oh, this is nice over here. Is this a Pequot?
Yeah. Well, no, this is framing.
Oh.
Okay, you're gonna go down, all right? And then hopefully there's a security guard or somebody downstairs, all right? And you know, you're gonna kind of walk out and go that way,
Okay.
all right?
All right,
You gotta go
appreciate
back.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay. You see when they play fucking games, I'm putting this right on. I don't care if it got music or not. I'm putting this right on. Right on YouTube. That lady, that was the front desk lady that told me that. There's no security down here. It ain't no security, is it? Nope. Okay, this is the bus terminal, but where do the bus come? By the Rainmaker. I don't know. I don't see nobody down here. They playing games with me, but I'm telling you, I'll take it up a notch. I will. She told me to go by the employees thing for the 108, and she said that, no, it don't pick you up there. That's the Green Cedar. I guess this is the train terminal. I mean the bus terminal, right here. You see how the games they play? They play games. They had me sitting there for 2 hours. 2 hours, over 2 hours. I got it on tape. That's why I recorded her. I don't care. I got music in the what's the name. I made a couple of videos with music. I'm going to try to upload it. I'm going to upload this one, but I'm going to save it too. Because if I don't get home one time, it's going to be a problem. I'll pick it back up, YouTube. I'll pick it back up. Shit. Hold on. Drop my thing.